Well, hey there, happy Friday to you. We are wondering what season South Texas wants to participate in. Is it summer? Is it fall? Is it winter? Well, no matter what your preference is, we are going to see all three this weekend. So I hope nobody out there loves spring. Maybe fall and spring can be synonymous. Here's what season to expect with all your weekend plans. On Saturday, we are going to be doing summer. Just like today, it's going to feel pretty warm out there, a bit more windy, so our temperatures might shave a few degrees off the thermometer's reading, but really it's going to be very warm tomorrow. On Sunday, early morning, our next cold front moves through. That is going to make for very windy conditions as drier, cooler air moves in. So we'll call that fall. And then if you've been craving that sweater weather, it is going to be coming in on Monday, especially Monday morning, when just about everybody is waking up to temperatures in the 40s, and that's not even as cold as it gets. Tuesday is going to be even colder. So as we try to keep up with these changes that Mother Nature is throwing at us, you can check the forecast anytime, christv.com/weather for all of the latest. But yeah, some big changes on the way with this front. Unfortunately, none of it includes rain. So our year-to-date deficit, we don't have to talk about it. This is going to be the case over the next 7 days. No meaningful rainfall means this number is just going to keep going and getting out of control. We are a foot behind on our rainfall, unfortunately. But let's talk about the temperature situation. We broke a record today. 92 was the high at the airport here in Corpus Christi. The previous record to beat, 91 degrees, set back in 1988. We smashed it. We were also a little warmer this morning, waking up to 61. We've been stuck in the 50s all week, but even with some fog, we did not break that 60-degree mark at CCIA. So throughout this afternoon, we've had a really big difference in temperatures along the coast versus inland neighborhoods, and that Highway 77 corridor is pretty much the dividing line. We're starting to catch up now as humidity tends to take over during the overnight hours. That sun has gone down, so most of us are near the 80-degree mark. Few inland neighborhoods still need to catch up, but yeah, at this point, we're starting to see that green inch inland for our dew point temperatures. This map showing that dry air has been the case throughout the day for inland neighborhoods, but we've been feeling pretty juicy on the coast. That humidity makes a really big difference, but it's all going downhill as we head on into the weekend. Humidity is going to be very, very dry, and that has some implications for your outdoor plans on Sunday that I'll have to tell you about. But if you're taking the pup out tonight, maybe the pups, Stella and Lulu, are our dog walking forecast stars. Should be a good evening. It's going to be breezy. The wind isn't going to die down just because the sun has dropped below the horizon, but we'll be around 70 as we head into those late night hours, midnight. There could be some fog early tomorrow morning. I think the worst of it will come right around the dawn time frame. If we have a little more wind, the visibility will be better, but I'm still expecting that fog either way. So if you have plans to be up early, that's part of it. The big weather picture is a little deceiving. We see a front here. This is not our front yet. It is, but it's not going to get here anytime soon. We need some help from upstairs. That help is in the Pacific Northwest and the Rockies. So that's why our front won't come through until Sunday. And the timing of that looks to be late Saturday night, very early Sunday morning when most of us are either out having fun or asleep. Winds are going to be incredibly windy behind this front on Sunday. So with that, fire danger will be increasing. There's already a fire weather watch on deck for Sunday. So please watch those outdoor activities. And then Monday, Tuesday morning, bundle those kids up. It is going to be chilly.